where the sun meets the sea, lies a treasure of beauty, my home Kiribati, with palm trees a-swaying and the turquoise so bright. Oh, the warmth of my island, a true paradise light. Kiribati, my island, where the ocean kisses the shore, with the laughter of children, I couldn't ask for more. From the dawn's golden glow to the stars up above, in the heart of the waves I find my true love. The sound of the breezes whisper stories untold of fishermen's journeys and the legends of old. With each gentle sunrise, a new day begins in the arms of my island, where the spirit never ends. Kiribati, my island, where the ocean kisses the shore, with the laughter of children, I couldn't ask for more. From the dawn's golden glow to the stars up above, in the heart of the waves I find my true love. Through the storms and the struggles we stand hand in hand, with the strength of our culture, united we stand. From Tarawa to Kiribati, our hearts beat as one. In the dance of the tides, our journey's begun. Kiribati, my island, where the ocean kisses the shore, with the laughter of children, I couldn't ask for more. From the dawn's golden glow to the stars up above, in the heart of the waves I find my true love. So here's to my island, forever it'll be a piece of my heart, my home Kiribati. With the sun setting low, painting skies in gold hue, in the warmth of my island I'll always be true.